Hello, my name is Ero Getcho, and I am the president of Lakeshore FIRST Robotics. We are an educational nonprofit whose goal is to team up volunteers with students of all ages and teach them about STEM careers, hopefully to keep the manufacturing base strong in Northeast Wisconsin. So we moved into here about 6 months ago. We started renovating the Lakeshore Robotics Education Center. It was a part warehouse, part garage. So we've done a lot of work in here, and one of the biggest improvements that we've made has been the LED lighting that you see in this room. The Energy Bank donated the lighting that you see in this area. This is our high school robotics arena. We're very happy with the lighting because it's helped our teams to have very true lighting, which helps them with their vision processing. While the rest of the building has robotics for all ages, this room is used for our high school group. So a lot of the items that you see on the field that are going together behind me are vision activated. So they have to find a target, and having a good, clear, consistent quality lighting is very valuable for the teams and how they compete.